I'm the new substitute student teacher sent to teach you about adding, subtracting, and multiplying decimals. Shall we begin? Let's start with adding. First, make sure the decimal points are aligned with each other. If you don't want to get confused, you can add a 0 to where there is an empty space. 7 plus 0 is 7. 0 plus 8 is 8. Bring down the decimal point. 0 plus 2 is 2. And your answer is 2.87. Now for subtracting. 0 cannot minus 5. Let's borrow from the 2, leaving 1 and turn 0 into 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Since 1 can't minus 7, let's borrow from 6 and turn 1 into 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. 5 can't minus 8. Let's borrow from 4, leaving 3 and turn 5 into 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Bring down the 3 and the decimal point. Your answer is 37.45. Now, let's try multiplying. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 at the bottom and 2 on top. 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 gives you 17. Now, let's put a 0 here. 2 times 8 is 16. 6 at the bottom and 1 on top. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 equals to 11. Let's add them up. 4 plus 0 is 4. 7 plus 6 is 13. 3 at the bottom, 1 on top. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Bring down the 1, count the decimals. 1, 2, then count 1, 2 on your answer as well, and place the decimal point. Let's try another one. 7 times 2 is 14. 4 at the bottom, 1 on top. 7 times 6 is 42, plus the 1 that makes 43. Put a 0. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 6 is 12. Now, add the 2. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. And bring down the 1. Count the decimals. 1, 2, count 1, 2 on your answer, and place the decimal point. Easy, right? Well, I do hope you learned something from today's quick lesson. Oops, it's time for me to go to my next class. Class dismissed. Bye!